Silicone Products Company Limited is a modern enterprise specializing in the design, development, production, and export of high-quality baby products. With over 8 years professional experience, we have established ourselves as a trusted partner in the industry committed to innovation, quality, and customer satisfaction. Our product portfolio includes a diverse range of infant care items, such as liquid silicone nipples in various sizes, silicone spoons, nipple shields, and other breastfeeding accessories. We also excel in OEM and ODM services, providing cautionary solutions tailored to the unique needs of our global clients. Equipped with advanced manufacturing facilities and a highly skilled team, we ensure strict quality control at every stage of production, adhering to international safety and environmental standards. Our dedication to excellence has earned us certifications like EN 1400 and compliance with EU General Product Safety Regulations. Located in Dongguan City, Guangdong Province, our strategic position enables efficient logistics and seamless export operations. We pride ourselves on building long-term relationships with our clients by delivering reliable products and exceptional service. At Dongguan BAIYA, we believe in continuous improvement and innovation to meet the evolving demands of the market. Our mission is to provide safe, durable, and eco-friendly baby products that bring peace of mind to parents worldwide. Choose Dongguan BAIYA Silicone Products Company Limited for quality you can trust and a partnership that lasts.